Hi guys, welcome back to Corbin John. Today is Thursday. मैं सोचा ऑफिस से छुट्टी ले लेता हूँ and I'll take mom for a good Chinese meal at Marine Plaza, which is located at Marine Drive, exactly at Marine Drive. Like you can see Marine Drive का पानी and the पूरा Marine Drive का Queen's Necklace while eating your food. So today we are going to the Oriental Blossom, which is located inside Marine Plaza. I'll tell you what exactly it is. It's an authentic taste of Chinese cuisine in the offering to the guests by the master chef at Oriental Blossom. The charming restaurant at Hotel Marine Plaza, Mumbai, with its bright interiors, will definitely remind you of the bylanes of China. This place is renowned to be one of the best and authentic Chinese restaurant in Mumbai. Patrons can indulge in the aromatic world of the Orient as our chef conjures delicious delight for you to savor with the relish. Oriental Blossom also offers two private dining areas which are ideal for corporate guests seeking a formal and personalized dining experience. So savor the authentic taste of China right in the heart of Amchi, Mumbai. So these timings are lunch 12:30 to 2:45. Okay, I think so I'm already late for that. Okay, and dining is 7:30 to 11:30. So yeah, so today we are driving down 12 kilometers from where I stay to just experience.
By the new underground.
We are going by the new underground road which they have made. You can, like वर्ली टू नरीमन पॉइंट ना, वर्ली टू नरीमन पॉइंट. सो पानी ऊपर है, हम रास्ते के नीचे से जाएंगे, पानी के नीचे से जाएंगे हम लोग. सो या फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम गोइंग देयर वाया दैट रूट एज वेल. सीलिंग से सीधा जाता है पानी के अंदर. सुपर. सो बॉम्बे इज़ ग्रोइंग. मतलब हम लोग तो एंजॉय नहीं कर पाएंगे जब तक सब बन जाएगा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बॉम्बे का, हमारे बच्चा करेंगे. Anyway, let's get started with Oriental Blossom and Corbin John. So we have reached the Marine Plaza, so let's enter. This is the first restaurant, the Bay View, which I'm not doing. So where you can see, you can sit by the window and enjoy the sea face and enjoy your meal. This is Bay View, but I'm not doing this place. I'm doing Oriental Blossom. I'll take you to Oriental Blossom now. That's a Chinese restaurant, authentic Chinese restaurant, Oriental Blossom. The whole interior is also based on that side. They have a private dining areas as well. Like this is a private seating as well, where you can a group of 8-9 people can sit. That's the view from the table. So we have ordered our appetizers. So we have ordered a lamb, we have a tiger prawns which will come on a griller, so it will have full smoke effect. And then there's lamb, I don't know this lamb name, and then dim sum, prawns dim sum. So that is the appetizer. Mom has ordered a mocktail. I'm still thinking if I should have a cocktail or a mocktail. So yeah, but yeah, that's my view. That's the sea face. क्लियर नहीं है, बट जो टेबल से क्लियर था वो टेबल पे लाइट नहीं था, नेचुरल, एंड और बाजू में क्राउड था ऑलरेडी. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन अ लास्ट टेबल. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है. दिस इज द लास्ट टेबल. सो एपेटाइजर हियर. दिस इज सिजवान लैम्ब. दिस इज बटर garlic prawns on a sizzler. Jumbo tiger prawns on a sizzler. And this is prawns dim sums, open dim sums. After destroying the huge big size butter garlic prawns, now I'm having a dim sum, prawns dim sum, open prawns dim sum.
Good.
कैसा लगा खाना अभी तक आपको?
Very tasty.
The food is genuinely very tasty. The interiors are old, the hotel is old, but the food genuinely is
The
banging.
hotel is also not really old.
काफी पुराना है यार. And Sichuan mutton, also lamb, is also very good. Overall,
Crispy.
whatever we have ordered so far has been very good. Now we have ordered one appetizer, chicken, and then one main, prawns main with burnt garlic fried rice, and then we'll order the dessert, and that's all. A very quick meal and a lovely meal. So our final appetizer is here. It's diced chicken and black bean sauce. Looks super good. The plating basic रहेगा मगर खाना बहुत bomb है. The diced chicken and black bean sauce is okay, not that great. It's a little chewy, so. Not the best, not the worst. Okay, not bad. I've had better appetizer today. That's my main course. Prawns, the size of the prawns is so good. Loving it. कैसा है हमारा main course?
Very yummy.
Very yummy. The food has passed my mom's test, so anyone and everyone should come and experience Oriental Blossom food at Marine Plaza. Superb. Now we are ending our meal. Afterwards, the dessert we have ordered is my mom's favorite dessert. It's called क्या है? Honey noodles with vanilla ice cream. Honey noodles with vanilla ice cream. That's the meal. So the crispy honey noodles with vanilla ice cream is here. They have plated it very well. मैंने बहुत जगह खाया मगर ऐसा plating वाला खाया नहीं कभी मैंने. The honey noodles with vanilla ice cream is banging. Superb. I love the portion size also, which is not that too big, not too small. It's perfect. This was my perfect meal ender. Now we'll talk in the car next. This is the hotel which we came to. This is Marine Drive. This is the hotel. Perfect view when you have your meal. So we are done with the Oriental Blossom at Marine Plaza. The food was amazing. I'm like genuinely very good. I'm not even exaggerating in any way. खाना genuinely अच्छा था. कैसा था हमारा खाना?
Very good.
Very good. I don't know if you can hear her, but yeah, very good. मज़ा आ गया. अभी तो बहुत अच्छी नींद आएगी मेरे को इतना अच्छा खाना खाने के बाद तो. But yeah, overall a very good place for a meal with a family, friends or a good friend. You can have a meal while a romantic meal while watching the sea and the water hitting the shore. Yeah, so that was my Oriental Blossom experience. Keep following me on Godwin John on all social media platforms. Bye.